Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and are you looking for an apron that will inspire people to say, yes, chef, when you wear it? Then you're gonna want this one. My husband has gotten really into grilling and smoking meats, and anything that I can do to encourage him to keep feeding me delicious meals is what I will do. And I love this apron from Asaya Chef. It comes in a gorgeous gift box as well as comes with these hand towel and bottle opener as a gift. This thing is so amazing looking and it is super heavy duty. It is this really durable cotton canvas. It has gorgeous brass hardware as well as this cross back strap that clips so easily and is very adjustable. I just think this thing looks so classy and it has so many different pockets and little areas to store whatever it is you want. So if for some reason you're not into cooking, you can use this for crafting or gardening, anything like that. But I am so happy that my husband loved this apron because it just encourages him to keep cooking me amazing meals and he looks great while doing it. So that is a plus for me. Whether you're using this around the house, in the garden, or just to put on your best chef hat, this apron is absolutely incredible. And that's my point of view.